Here I am going to solve question number 2 from exercise 5.2 for class 8. The question is like this. A group of 360 people were asked to vote for their favorite season from the three seasons rainy, winter and summer. Which season got the most vote? Find the central angle of each sector, draw a pie chart to show this information. That means a information that is given here, it's look like this. Okay, according to this question, to this information, you have to answer this question. So first question is that which season got the most vote? Now see the vote, that is 90, 120 and 150. Among these 150 is the highest, so we can say that which season got the most vote. So the winter season got the most vote. This is the question number 1. Now for the question number 2, find the center angle, find the central angle of each sector. That means these are the sectors, you have to make central angle. So to make a central angle, you need to make a table like this type of table. You need to make central angle or to find the central angle. This data, as you can see that this data is already given, the season and the vote, these things is already given. Now accept these two column, that is two that means these things to be represent in a fraction, and then you change it at a central angle. First you change it as a fraction. To make it as a fraction, first you total it. Okay, this is the total, so if you added it, then you will got 360. Now this portion make it as a fraction, so we know that fraction is part by whole, so this is 90 and whole is 360, so this is the fraction. Similarly here any season 120 is vote, so if we make it a fraction, then same formula, that is part by whole, that means 120 by 360. For 150 it will be 150 by 360. Now the fraction is completed. Now with the help of this fraction, you have to change it as a central angle. To make it central angle, just you have to multiply the fraction with the 360. Here fraction is 90 by 360, so you to make central angle, it multiple it with the 360, so it will be cancelled and then you will got only 90 degree. Okay, this is the central angle. Similarly use this fraction, that is 120 by 360, to make central angle, multiple it with 360, so it will be cancelled out, the angle will be 120 degree. Similarly for the winter, it will be 150 by 360 as a fraction, again multiple with the 360, so it will be cancelled out and got the 150 degree. So till now you got the angle, central angle, that is a 90 degree, 120 degree and 150 degree. These things have asked for the question number 2. Now for the question number 3, just see, draw a pie chart to show this information. That means this information you have to represent with the help of pie chart. To make a pie chart, you need the central angle. Okay, without central angle you cannot make the pie chart, so we will use this table. Okay, this table. And one more things I want to say, that is whenever asked to draw a pie chart, first you draw this table and make the center angle. With the help of this you will make the pie chart. Since we already find out the central angle, so to make the pie chart, how you have to draw the pie chart, listen here. First you draw a circle like this, take this will be the center, then just join it like radius. Now draw the 90 degree angle, use the protector, place the protector here and make 90 degree angle. Suppose you put protector here, then 0 will be there, then 10, 20 like this. Suppose here 90 degree is there, then mark this position and join the line, so this angle is 90 degree. So here summer, you just write down, it will be written as a summer. Okay, next you have to draw 150 degree, that means rainy season. So again place the protector and take as a 0 degree here, again take protector here and just 10, 20 you will find that. Suppose this is 120, so mark it and join this with the center. Then this angle, suppose 120 degree, 120 is the rainy season, so you write down it a rainy season. If two, suppose here total number of season is 3, two angle we have already drawn, then the rest angle is automatically 150. Otherwise you just, if you place the protector taking as a 0 degree here, then you will got here 150 degree. Okay,